Things just haven't been the same since the other night. Yeah, well, I was talking to a guy at the bar, and like, I guess it looked like I was flirting, but nothing happened. And it just reminded him of when yeah, but, wait, hang on.
Guys. Why did the Mexican man push his wife off the cliff?
Go on.
Tequila! Tequila! You do realize we're not laughing with you, we're laughing at you. You don't get it. You just don't get it. You just... Alright, let's do karaoke.
Give me the mic.
Tony, who is it?
It's just Aaron.
I think you should take some of this and forget about her.
I'm not drinking tonight, I'm sorry.
Just no cough syrup, come on.
I said not tonight!
Aren't you overthinking things? I think you should relax.
I don't know, I just feel like things have been really distant lately, you know?
I would have never forgiven her. She went and met, like, Luke 2 days after you guys broke up.
Oh, who does that?
Bro, I've heard she's been with half of the town.
It's in the past. You know that.
Yeah, you're clearly over it. You're still hung up on her.
Are you serious right now? You're unbelievable. I thought you were here to support me.
I am trying, dude.
Well, it doesn't seem like it.
What do you mean? You're picking up her calls. Like, you're clearly not over her. You need to pass through this.
What else am I supposed to do, huh?
Ignore her. Take a time for yourself. Be alone for a little bit.
Be alone?
Yes.
Well, maybe I should be alone. Maybe I should just leave because, like, what else am I doing?
Well, maybe you should.
Be softer, okay?
Like I need advice from you.
I mean it, alright? The last thing she needs right now is a fight.
Alright. Fine.
Why didn't you reply to my messages, Tony? You weren't there when we needed to talk.
I was with friends.
Typical.
Erin, what is all of this about? You know, I don't know what it is, but it's as if you want more than what I can give you.
That's not true, Tony. You know how much I regret seeing him over and over again.
Yeah, just like when you pleased him and then came back crying to me.
That's not
To
fair.
me.
You're being so selfish, Tony.
Any sign of any weakness, and Erin, you just write people off. It's... I don't know what you want.
I can't believe you'd say that.
You know what? When I found out that you slept with that other fool, I was relieved. Relieved. I was so happy that you were gone and out of my life, and that I could just dispose of you like that.
I'm sorry. I'm not here to break up with you. We need to put all of this he said, she said business over us. Decisions need to be made.
Decisions? Erin, I don't understand.
There's something I need to tell you. Look, Tony, I need to know if you're in on this.
I'm so in on this.